Hi, I'm Stephanie Ross from the Alpha Pi chapter of Auburn, and Tri Kappa, my involvement with Tri Kappa comes from many different avenues. First, my mother was an active member in Tri Kappa in Kendallville, and now she's in the associate chapter. I was a member in the Kendallville chapter for a while and then moved to Auburn and waited a while to get involved, and now my involvement is just so important to me. It's the social part of it. Each month I get to see all my sisters and my friends. In regard to philanthropy in our community, we have a chapter of 51 members, which I think is pretty good, and we've raised a lot of funds. So we're able to disperse a lot of things, from a new trail in our community to playground equipment for one of our local elementaries to helping with the Children's First Center that works with parenting. So it's just a satisfaction of getting able to spend time with my friends, but knowing that we're doing great things for our community. So that's my Tri Kappa story.